Welcome back to another showcase of our Aprés Gel-X collaboration with Yoko Matsuda. In today's video, we're going to show you how to apply our Vivid Color series. Now, these colors are a little bit different than the base colors, whereas these colors are much more vibrant. We have picked 5 special colors Yoko Matsuda handpicked herself, and in Japan we only released 2 different shapes, the round short and the round medium, because that's the most commonly used shapes there in Japan. But for the USA market and also globally in other territories, we released these color tips in a variety of our best-selling shapes. And they come in these shapes and lengths: sculpted or natural stiletto medium, sculpted or natural stiletto long, sculpted or natural coffin medium, sculpted coffin long, sculpted or natural round medium, sculpted or natural round short. Today we're applying the Vivid Color tips in sculpted stiletto medium. So let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to see all your work with our new tips. Comment down below and let us know what's your favorite shape and favorite color in this series. Stay tuned for more videos on Aprés products and new launches coming up, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates.